Here's the news of the day for May 20th of 2025.
Bell and the U.S. Army unveiled the FLRAA Virtual Prototype Cockpit Simulator, accelerating pilot training and feedback to shape the future tilt-rotor assault aircraft.
Skyports is testing ship-to-shore drone deliveries in Michigan's Great Lakes, using BVLOS flights to demonstrate faster, safer, and more sustainable maritime logistics.
Smart Skies, Healthy Waters won the Water Breakthrough Challenge with its drone-based, real-time system for monitoring coastal water quality, aiming to transform how the sector protects communities and the environment.
Sloan Helicopters ordered 3 more AW109 Trekkers for 2027 delivery, extending its 30-year partnership with Leonardo and reinforcing its lead in the UK and Ireland VIP Rotorcraft market.
Leonardo and Weststar will deliver up to 28 helicopters to Malaysia starting 2026, marking the country's largest ever government rotorcraft upgrade for defense, security, and public service missions.
Airbus is expanding its helicopters training academy in Malaysia with a new H175 full flight simulator by late 2026, boosting pilot training capacity and aviation safety in the region.
UrbanLink has expanded its order of Regent's all-electric Viceroy Seagliders to 47, boosting Florida's role in coastal mobility, with service launches planned for 2027 across South Florida and Puerto Rico.
Archer, Anduril, Skyports, and Atkins Railways will trial dual-use midnight eVTOL cargo aircraft in the UK, targeting civil and defence BVLOS operations with future flight support.
Signature Aviation expands its free Bravo membership worldwide, offering small and medium operators handling discounts, support, and exclusive benefits across its global network.
JSSI has appointed Fabrice Roger to lead business development across EMEA and Asia Pacific, strengthening regional growth with new offices in Farnborough, Frankfurt, and Dubai.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.